Hello Wyatt,
Hello,
how are you?
I am fine, thank you, and
I'm
you?
good, thank you. What season do you like?
I like kite,
What season do you like?
sunlight,
Summer. How's the weather in summer? It is
hot.
hot, good job. What's your favourite toy?
I like kite,
Good job. I like cars, how about you?
I like train.
Good job. What are these?
They are dog.
Good job. Are those balloons?
No, they are kite.
Good job. What's that?
It's a balloon.
Good job. They are robots? What's the question?
Where are these?
What are these? Good job. They are
Where dog?
Good job.
I don't know.
Turn on your computer. Good job.
Look at the monitor. They color.
Good job, Wyatt. Okay, what are these?
They are block.
Good job. What's that?
It's a bottle.
Good job. Well done. High five.
Toy. I like robots. How about you? I like dog. I like dog too. Hi, I got my pen. I just block. No, these are robots. Robots. No, those are block. No, these are robots. No, cool.
Hello, Wyatt.
Hello.
How are you?
I am fine. Thank you. And you?
Good job. Where are you?
I am on the chair.
Good job. Well done. Question 1. Happy.
Birthday, John. This is the one
This is for
for
you. Wow. A robot.
Thank you.
Good job. Where are the flowers? Where are the flowers?
Where
They are.
in the wings?
Good job. Where is the pen?
It's on the book.
Good job. Is the robot beside the table?
No, it isn't. It's under the table.
Good job. Let's make a question. It's under the chair.
Cat.
Where is the cat? They're in the bag.
Dog.
Where are the dolls? What's this?
Get the ball. Catch the ball. Pick the ball.
Pass the ball. Okay, Wyatt. Where are the dogs?
Where's dog? They are dog.
They are on.
On the table.
Okay, good job. Well done.
Happy birthday, Nick. This is for you. What is it? Open it. Wow, a dog. Thank you. Make a start there. What is it? It's also sofa and flower. Where are the flowers? This is for you. Thank you.